Broke me off. Recording that whole thing. Oh, here's one right here. Oh my god, he ate it. He ate it. Got him. Oh. Come here, buddy. Nice fish. Definitely, yeah. 2.5. Dude, this muck though. Come here, bro. He's in all this weeds. Please tell me he's still on. Dude, he might have got off. No way. Got some salad with him, but
Damn, that's like 2 in 2 minutes. If my scale was working, I would just weigh that. Alright, yeah, you're good.
all this muck out of here. Come on, buddy. Off he goes. Alright, we're just sneaked around. We're just gonna chuck this guy over. Let it sink. Oh, I already got one. Got one. Dude, as soon as it drops. Oh, God. Watch me get hit there. Oh, what? I got hit. I'm on. Oh. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that skip was dirty as hell. Got one. Hey. Let's go. Dirty skip. Dirty skip. One and a half, 2. Huh? Right under there. Let's go, baby. Dude, look how I hooked that fish.
You let it swallow it. Yeah, you let it swallow it.
Just literally just barely got the top of his mouth. Kept the tension. Popped right out. Get the release. And off he goes. Oh, I got one. No way. No way. No way. No way. No way. Bro. Oh, it ate it. It ate it. It ate it. It ate it. No, don't break off. Don't break off. Dude, I dangled it on the tree and it just hammered it. Dude, the last one I had was bigger. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. Let's go. Did you guys see that? Dangled it on the top and he just came up and hammered it. Bro, that was insane. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Get out of here, buddy. All right. Nuh-uh. Big one. Big one. Big one. Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. There's number like, I don't even know, but just punch in the bushes and dang, you get hammered. Look at that, guys. Insane. Another one. There he goes. That's the most noob thing I've ever seen. Well, there's a nice midget bass for you. Oh, he ate it, bro. It's good too. Are you kidding me? Eric with the assist? Bro, no, don't get tangled.
He ate one.
Are you kidding me? What is this place? This place is magical, dude. I literally just watched him eat that. Like, are you kidding me? Oh, there we go. On. Oh. It's a nice one. Bro, this is like a 3. Oh, this is a good fish. Yo, I gotta get a thumbnail of this one. Yeah. Bro, this is a good fish. Good fish. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That is a fat fish, dude. Oh, oh. Are you kidding me?
That's a
100%.
Put him up.
All right, good. Awesome, dude. That's like a 3-pounder. It's not helping me out. There he goes. No way. Okay. Okay. Good one? Sick, dude.
That's a pretty good one.
We should have... That would have been sick to get a double up pick. Dude, that's a good fish, bro.
Damn, look at that.
He's been caught before. Dang, his jaw's screwed up. Here, hold him up.
Damn.
All right.
This is like a 2-pounder.
You're...
This is stout.
Yeah.
It's a chunky one.
Yep. He came out from under the thing and just waked it.
So let us see.
Got him. Oh, he broke me off. Yep.